Hello everyone, my name is Kelechi and today I'm just going to be showing you about tables, pie chart and bar chart in Canva. In case you've not used it before, I'm going to be introducing it to you. You can do your further research. But with what I'm going to be showing you today, trust me, you're going to learn something, at least just one thing. So let me just jump right into it. I'll create a design. You're going to use an Instagram post. So this is my canvas. This is my canvas. I'm going to be really quick with this. I'll go to elements and search for, I'm going to start with pie charts. So you can see there's a whole lot here. We have this pie chart. This is, I think it's a donut chart. So let's start with this pie chart. Now this is it. It's so beautiful. I don't know if beautiful is the right word, but I really love it. So when you click on it, there's a whole lot of options are going to appear. You can even animate it. Can you imagine? You can animate. Beautiful. So you can change the text. You can change the text if you don't want. Now it's the text. It's an open sans light. So you can change it to maybe a Montserrat semi bold. See? You can change it to the Montserrat semi-bold. You can rename the items. Now we have item 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, with their various numbers. So you can rename it. You can change it here from item 1. You can make this shoes. You see, it's changed here. You can change item 2 to bags. It's changed. You can change item 3 to a sweater. Press OK. You can change item 4 to wristband. Okay, and you can change. Oh, this is too much. You can change to watch, and you can change this last one to just anything, a hoodie. So you can change the items, and here under setting, this is data. Under settings, you can put it in percentage. Now it's in percentage, sorry, 20, 20, 20, 20, 20. They are all equal, making it a total of 100%. Okay. Like I said, I'm just introducing it to you. You can do your further research. And if you want it in numbers, you can move it back to numbers. 10, 10, 10, 10, 10. That's 50. But if you change it to a percentage, it's all going to amount to 100%. And now you can change the color. If you don't want it to be maybe a bluish, you can change it to yellow. Okay, and the colors that are closer to it, yellow, you can change to red. You can even see, you can incorporate your brand colors here. So let's proceed. Here's the last. Okay, this is the original one. Okay, so you can increase the font size. Maybe let's make this 20, or you can reduce it to a 10. Okay, change the color just, and then it doesn't end here. You can see there's a whole lot of options here. You have bar chart, stacked bar chart, row chart, stacked row chart, line chart, blah blah blah. So let's take a look at bar charts. See, because this is all, they are all, the numbers are all equal, 10, 10, 10, 10, 10. Okay, but if we put it in plot show legend. Okay, now let's reduce it. Now they are all equal, 10, 10, 10. But if I were to change the bags to 8, change the word OD to 5. Now as you can see, this changed. So shoes 10, sweater 10, watch 10, bags think 8, hoodie 5. This is 4, but can increase the spacing, reduce the spacing. Okay, can make it round. This is really cool. Let's see. That you want to add an extra if you want to add an extra chart to it, an extra bar chart to it, you can just put another number. As you can see, man, Canva is amazing. Canva, it's amazing. I'm going to be quick with this. Okay, so that's it for bar charts. We also have donut charts. Donut charts here. Donut charts. So this, I'm going to delete this. So this is donut chart. It's almost like a pie chart. Okay. Now watch 23%, 23%, 18.6. This is the larger one. This and this and this 1, 2, 3 is similar. If you were to move it from percentage to number, you see 10, 10, 10, 8, 5. Okay. Take it back to percentage. It helps you. This is really good for presentation. This is really awesome for presentation. Oh, Canva is amazing. So you can still explore this funnel chart. There is histogram chart. There's a whole lot here. Okay, for those of you that love doing presentations, you can really explore this part of Canva. Now let me head back to tables. I'm going to delete this. I think tables somewhere here. So this is table. I'm going to work with this one. Now I can increase this. Now this is three rows and 3 columns. Now I can add um I can add another column, making it 1, 2, 3, 4. This is too big. I'm going to reduce this. And I can add another row after or before, just like Excel. After, making it 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 columns and 6 rows. So here you can also add colors. I want to add colors to this one. I'm just going to see add colors here. Okay, and I can decide to just make it, this one now is transparent. This is it. It's transparent. There's no color here. And see, there's a whole lot of options. Outer borders. You can increase the table spacing. Okay, you can reduce it. Cell spacing. This is not relevant. Now, okay, so this is it for tables. Then you can go ahead to add your text. You can go ahead to add your text. See, group 1. Increase this. Okay, so I'm going to change this color to white. Come over here, change this color to something yeah, like maybe this. Remove this color, transparent. Do this. Do this. Duplicate. Group 2. Group 3, and so on. You can go ahead to put whatever content you want inside this table. So I'm going to stop here for now. I just tried to introduce this to you guys. And like I said, you can do your further research, but this is one part of Canva that you really need to explore if you do a lot of presentations. There's a whole lot here, not just the tables, the pie chart, and the bar chart. As you can see, charts, there's a whole lot of charts that you see. There's even pictogram. This is amazing. So I'm going to stop here now because it's 10 minutes. So guys, explore this part of Canva and use it for your business. My name remains Kelechi. Bye bye. See you guys.